Trading Forex is like trying to catch fish. You can sit by the riverside with your rod all day long, but fish will only bite at specific times. Would you like to know when those feeding frenzies happen? The truth is, you can have the best strategy and the perfect setup, but if the market is asleep, you will be waiting for nothing. The key to consistent trading isn't watching the charts 24 hours. It's knowing when to watch. In this lesson, we are breaking down the Forex market's 4 main feeding times, also known as the trading sessions. We will be showing you how to be there when the big moves happen. We are going to cover the 4 major trading sessions and their unique personalities. The power session overlaps. These are the true feeding frenzies with the highest profit potential. Then thirdly, we'll cover the critical importance of timing, including the one thing that changes the session time twice a year and it trips up every trader who forgets it. Then last but not the least, we'll be showing you how to track all of this so you can trade smarter and not longer. So stay tuned. I'll be right back. Welcome back, and thank you so much for staying tuned. Let's now take a deep dive and look at when is the right time for you to trade. So the right time to trade is during the times that we call the trading sessions. These trading sessions can be categorized into 4 categories. There's what we call the seeding session, which is also called the Pacific Asia. Then we have the Tokyo session, which presents Asia. Then we have the London session. And then finally we have what we call the New York session. Okay, so these 4 trading sessions can further be categorized into a 3-session system. And this 3-session system embrace the following trading sessions. We have what we call the Asian session, then there is the European session, then there is the North American session. When is the right time? When is the right time for you to trade Forex? The right time to trade Forex is when these sessions overlap. They're called the sessions overlap. What is the specific time and what are those session overlaps? Number 1, we have the London New York session. This one overlaps somewhere around 08 a.m. and 12 p.m. Then the second one is called the Tokyo London session, and this one overlaps somewhere around 03 to 04 a.m. There you have them. Those are the sessions wherein you have to trade the most. So the most traded session is the London New York session, which is the London New York overlap. So you have to make sure that you happen to jump in and you guarantee the high profitability. Then the second most liquid trading session is the Tokyo London session. Make sure you get to know all those. There you have them. So those are the sessions wherein you have to be trading. And make sure that you take note. In the next video, I will be revealing to you some of the things that you need to learn about Forex. So catch you in the next video.